In this video, we are going to see how to create a web server with socket programming. Download this file from the link in the description and open it inside the server machine. And you need to provide the server port. I gave 3000, you can give whatever you want, but it should be greater than 1024 and less than 65,000. It should not be less than 1024 because some of the default port numbers are assigned to like HTTP protocol and FTP file transfer protocol. That's why we need to assign the port numbers which are greater than 1024. And here you need to change this IP address to your server IP address. Find the server IP address with ipconfig. You can see my server IP address is 10.0.2.15. Now this is going to create a socket. This is the port number. This is going to bind the IP address to this socket. This is going to listen to the port number we specified. This will show that the server is ready, and this is going to get the request from the client. And here in the try block, this is going to contain the message, going to contain the link which the user passes in the web browser, and we are going to split it and save the second part of the URL to the file name. I mean, go to the client will search like this. I will show you in a minute. Come on. My browser is not opening. Come on. Firefox already running, but it's not responding to. Okay. Yeah, it's open now. I think it became very slow. 1 minute, it's not stuck. हाँ, बढ़िया है. Skip the video, skip the video, skip the video until it turns on. I'm not going to edit this. It came now. Oof, it's running now. We will type the request. User will type the request in this form. The IP address of the server machine and the EAS2 and the port number we specified in that file and slash. Here we are going to type the file we are trying to access. I will show you. I'll create a file in this folder when terminal gedit hello.txt. Enter. I'll create like hello world. Save it. I will close it. Now I have this hello.txt in this folder. We are going to access that folder in this web browser. I am going to see that hello.txt page here. This is the link we are going to search. This is what is stored in a message, and we are going to split the message and store the name file of the name of the file in the file name variable. Here, this is the first part of the link, this is the second part of the link. It will be 0 and it will be 1, that's why we have specified 1 here. And this will open the file. It starts from 1 because this is the first part of the link, and this is the second part of the link including the slash. We are going to trim this string with the here 1 is 2, which means the slash will be removed, and the name of the file is opened, and which is a reference, which is given to a reference variable f, and we are going to read it and store it in output data, and in the back end it will send the http slash 101 200 okay. And this part of code is going to print the content of the file which is inside this folder hello dot inside this folder, which is we're going to access hello dot txt, and this is going to close the socket. Here, if any error occurs, this will show up, which says error 404 not found. And after changing this IP address to the IP address of the server, save this file and close it. Open the terminal. I think I already opened. Yes. I'm going to run this with Python space web server underscore py. Enter. You can see the server is ready to serve, but we forget to start the Wireshark. Sudo Wireshark. Okay, click on any, right click, start capture, and go here. Right click, open terminal, Python space, right, enter. You can see the server is ready. Now we are going to client. Now I already typed this here. I will hit enter. Wait until it loads. You can see hello world has been displayed from the server, which says hello world. You can access through the client. Now I am going to try to access the other file, like I will try to open this folder. You can see there is no path like this that is showing 404 error, and I will stop the capture. Now here you need to take the screenshot of this hello.txt, the file of the name of the file which you requested from the browser, and open this TCP, and also take the screenshot. 1 minute, expand this and take the screenshot, and take this screenshot also, and click this http this slash 101 slash 1.1 200 okay. Take the screenshot also, and that's all for this web server.